Are doctor visits disrupting your already busy schedule? Do you value your time and expect the same from your healthcare provider? Are you looking for a more convenient method of healthcare? Are transportation and related travel expenses becoming overwhelming? Time, cost, convenience, and quality are all healthcare-related concerns and challenges. Renown Health has a solution. Renown Health is proud to announce Renown TeleHealth, a cutting-edge healthcare opportunity especially designed for patients that demand convenient, high-quality, faster, better, more cost-effective healthcare. From virtual visits on your smartphone to visits in the comfort of your hometown healthcare clinic with a specialist miles away, to inpatient and emergency room hospital-to-hospital consultations, Renown TeleHealth is the healthcare opportunity for you. So, what is telehealth? According to the American Telemedicine Association, telehealth is formally defined as the use of medical information exchanged from one site to another via electronic communications to improve a patient's clinical health status. Telehealth includes a growing variety of applications and services using two-way video, email, smartphones, wireless tools, and other forms of telecommunications technology. In other words, telehealth is a healthcare option that virtually connects you to the providers you need. There are multiple delivery mechanisms of telehealth available to meet your needs and lifestyle. Distance learning and support groups for patients, families, and caregivers from our state-of-the-art telehealth conference centers. Many of these classes are available from anywhere, including your personal video-enabled computer. Virtual visits with a provider addressing urgent, primary, and specialty care needs. See a provider with any video-enabled device at home, work, or even on vacation. Virtual care anywhere. Clinic visits with specialists in specific fields of healthcare. Schedule a visit at your local healthcare facility and connect to a specialist using high-tech video conferencing equipment and advanced medical peripheral tools. Hospital visits addressing care from emergency room to emergency room, inpatient beds to a specialist or hospitalist, or ICU coverage by our excellent intensivist providers. The Virtual Center of Excellence, which provides comprehensive collaboration between regional doctors and specialists nationwide, eliminating travel to other states for consultations with subspecialists not available in your area. Be connected virtually to out-of-state providers through your local hospital's Center of Excellence, and post-acute and chronic disease management care through remote monitoring. For some conditions, when you or a loved one are discharged from the hospital with a significant condition, remote monitoring will allow the hospital staff to continue monitoring certain important biometrics and contact you if those metrics fall out of acceptable range. You can get the help you need even when you are no longer at the medical facility. All 6 of these methods are available to you via your local telehealth program. Faster, better, more cost-effective healthcare. By accessing telehealth as your healthcare option, you will receive the highest quality of care wherever you are. Some advantages of telehealth are exceptional scheduling support from customer contact center professionals trained to answer any questions or concerns you may have. Real interaction with specialist providers without the hassle and cost of transportation, child or senior care, meals on the road, lost wages, and or overnight accommodations normally incurred with these types of visits. Individualized, high-quality care with your health being the top priority. Convenient care with healthcare providers connecting one-on-one with you at home, at work, on vacation, or at your local healthcare facility. Cutting-edge technology to assist your doctors in providing a high level of care. Access to virtual support groups. Join a support group virtually with other people who have the same condition as yourself. Learn more about your health condition from the convenience of your home with distance learning. And expedited access to care. When it comes to your health, you want time to be on your side. Along with these benefits to you, there are also many community health advantages telehealth can offer, such as the overall reduction of healthcare costs, additional specialty health resources available in your community, and positive economic impact in your local economy by keeping dollars in your community. With telehealth technology working for you, your healthcare will go the distance. Thousands of patients across the country are voicing their support of telehealth. Here's what a few have to say in your region.
I have never experienced anything so incredibly amazing in my life. Telehealth is such an outstanding program for bedridden patients as myself, and has literally opened up an entire new world for me, as I am sure it will for many other patients that are in dire need of this type of medical care, and are extremely motivated, as myself, to become mobile again.
Thank you for the amazing telehealth program. It is a very comfortable environment and allows patients as myself to receive medical care that we so desperately need. I would have never been able to receive proper care if it had not been for telehealth.
Being able to have this appointment saved me about 5 hours away from work. I think telehealth is a great concept. It was pretty awesome, and it saved me from getting someone to drive me to the city, and with the way my back is, it makes it difficult. I would have never gone to the specialist if it weren't for telehealth. I am screaming it from the mountaintops for everyone to use telehealth. It is the best medical experience that I have had in a long time.
Telehealth is growing at a rapid pace nationwide. With that growth, there are common misconceptions that have emerged. Perhaps you have heard. Telehealth represents a lower standard of care. Fact: telehealth produces a high quality of care while cutting down the travel cost and time usually associated with these visits. A medical staff member is present with you to help the specialist as necessary. Advanced telehealth equipment and tools help a specialist evaluate your health. For example, a wireless stethoscope transmits your heartbeat through Bluetooth communication and allows the specialist to listen and evaluate your heartbeat in real time. This is going to cost more than an in-person doctor's visit. Fact: telehealth visits are covered by most major insurance companies and cost the same as an in-person visit. Actually, you will save money on personal expenses if traveling to see a specialist is involved in your care. The author of pending legislation concluded that coverage parity shall be realized between telehealth and other healthcare delivery modes. My privacy is being invaded. Fact: the video connection of a telehealth visit is secure and encrypted, meeting all HIPAA privacy standards and approved by the Healthcare Information Protection Team. Your visit is confidential, and communication remains between your doctors and you with the highest level of security. Federal and state laws regarding protection of the confidentiality and security of transmitted protected health information, or PHI, is adhered to by originating site and distant site healthcare providers. I have to be good with technology in order to participate. Fact: the telehealth team is trained and certified to perform all the necessary steps to complete a thorough and positive telehealth experience. Clinical staff will be present to facilitate technology use. As the patient, all that is required is your presence. My healthcare choices are limited. Fact: with access to multiple specialists not currently in the community, your healthcare choices are actually increased. Still, you always have an option with your personal preference to care. Recently, authors of pending legislation have stated, telehealth shall not be construed to limit a patient's right to obtain a covered service through an in-person visit with a healthcare provider. Meaning, you still have the option of scheduling an in-person visit. The patient always has a choice. Save time, minimize cost, experience convenient, high-quality healthcare with Renown TeleHealth. For more information, contact your healthcare provider or the Renown TeleHealth team about scheduling a telehealth visit today.